What's the meaning of cut glass? Cut glass. Cut glass.
Cut glass. Cut glass. Cut glass refers to a process where a piece of glass is cut and polished to create intricate, multifaceted designs on its surface. The result is a sparkling, reflective surface that catches and refracts light in dazzling patterns. Cut glass has been used for centuries in the production of decorative objects, such as vases, bowls, and chandeliers. It requires precision and skill to achieve the desired effect, which can range from simple geometric shapes to elaborate floral and figurative designs. Cut glass is prized for its beauty and elegance, and remains a popular decorative art form today.